when you're in your 20s, you work for money. But dapat yung goal mo when you're in your 30s na, money work for you.
Hi, Inveshies! Today, we are excited to be joined by Adrian Insignes. Kumusta,
Yes.
Adrian?
Thank you for having me.
And we're very, very, very glad that you accepted being here. Ito yung second episode namin for the new season. Adrian Insigne is a licensed doctor by day
Yes.
and a content creator by night. For today's episode, we're talking about investing do's and don'ts, spotting red flags, so very important to, no? And also chasing the green flags, and how BC pros like Doc Adrian handles their money. So again, Doc, kumusta? How's your day?
Doing good naman. Actually, nireserve ko yung date
Na-reserve for this. And
special
thank you for
occasion.
that. So, naka-reserve talaga mga ka-Inveshies. And very excited to talk about, again, red flags, green flags,
Okay.
how you manage your finances. And hopefully, our mga ka-Inveshies would be learning through this conversation. Ano yung usually nakikita mo na, ito yung red flag when it comes to investing?
If it's too good to be true, that's a red flag. Because any investments is a risk. Pag in-offer ka na sabihin sa'yo, triple agad yung pera mo lang in a year. Red flag na agad
Yeah,
yun.
man,
Imposible yun. But yung papahiram mo lang yung pera or something na pasok mo pera mo dito, triple yan. That's impossible. That's a red flag na agad.
How do you usually look at investments na sinasabi mo na ito, baka bagay ito sa akin or ito align to doon sa goals ko, just like in your profession as a doctor, no? So paano mo sinasabi na, or how do I recommend or give medication, di ba, na ano ba yung bagay dito sa pasyente ko na to?
Unang titingnan mo dapat sa investment, yung history. Kailangan safe and secured yung investment mo. At trusted yung pinag-i-investan mo.
Correct.
Yun yung pinaka-importante. Kasi if hindi safe, hindi secured, if hindi talaga trusted, pwede mawala yung investment mo in instant talaga.
Ano ba yung mga hinahanap mo sa investment that are aligned with your investment goals?
Investment goals ko kasi is to be stable. Kung pwede mag-early retirement mo. Pero syempre,
Lahat
hindi
naman
hindi
tayo.
naman natin
Yes.
pwede
Oo.
gawin yun.
Yes.
Hindi tayo galing sa old money.
Okay.
Gusto ko sa money ko, hindi lang sa investment, my health din.
May health din.
Hopefully, 10 years from now, na maging ganun ako financially stable. Yeah.
So ano yung mga sinisimulan mo ngayon, Doc, para ma-achieve mo yon?
Monday to Sunday, I work. Minsan nga, 9 to 10 ako nag-work.
9 to 10?
Yeah. Nakakauwi na ako talaga ng gabi. Yung nakukuha ko sa work ko, I invest yung mga naiipon ko. I want to diversify my profile, diba? I believe that if mas diverse yung pera mo ngayon, mas maganda in a long-term basis.
Correct.
Kasi
Yung potential
niya, yung isang na investment naman na parang jackpot lang, jumakpat ka sa isang investment mo.
And na-diversify mo yung
Yun eh.
risk.
Yes,
Kasi nga pag isa lang, pag may nangyari,
wala na.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero yun nga, in terms of diversification, hindi siya madali, di ba?
Yes.
Especially pag busy ka. Pero it's a good thing na there are investments out there na do have professional fund managers.
Yes, that's true. Ang laki tulong pag may pwede kang tanungan.
Correct.
At may mag-a-advise sa'yo.
Mag-advise.
Yes.
Correct. So these are experts, no? Doctors are experts in healthcare and medicine. So nandyan yung mga fund managers naman that are experts, no?
Yes.
So sila din, Doc, nagtatrabaho araw-araw para tingnan yung merkado,
Yes,
no? Kung ano ba yung magandang investments ngayon, paano ko ba mas matutulungan yung mga investors to really grow their money and their finances. So we really need to choose professional fund managers, no?
That's true. Kasi ako ayoko tingnan yung investment ko every minute. Sila na bahala tumingin, di ba?
Sila na yung magtrabaho for you.
Yes.
So while you are nagtatrabaho ka para doon sa mailalagay mo naman, sila naman yung magmamanage ng funds na nilagay mo
To
doon sa
grow,
investment
yeah.
to grow it more. How do you usually handle your money, and also how do you do it in terms of managing your time, since nga you're a busy doctor and a content creator?
If may mindset tayo na ayaw natin may laman yung bangko natin, mas gusto natin diversify yung pera natin.
Diversification talaga. So, and even though na busy tayo, so hindi naman yon hadlang para tayo ay mag-invest,
Yes.
para to look for other investments, no?
And also, nag-aalat din ako na for health. Siyempre, may mga emergency funds tayo na kailangan. ang mahal magpa-doktor ngayon.
Yeah. Coming from the doctor himself. Yan.
So, mahal magpa-hospital.
Mahal
Lalo na
magpa-hospital.
mas mahal magpa-hospital. Few hours na sa ER, kaya mo mga gastos ng 100,000 agad, di ba?
So, invest in your health din talaga.
Yes, invest in your health.
And nasabi mo nga kanina, meron si BPI niya, no? Si
Yes.
BPI Wealth Builder. The good thing about BPI Wealth Builder, so mga ka-investors natin is, you're investing and at the same time, you get benefits, which includes different benefits, but also includes health benefits,
Yes.
no? Free of charge na yon. So,
yes.
as long as you've invested and as long as you reach a certain milestone na tinatawag na, so you get certain benefits. So, again, to start it off, 1,000 pesos lang.
Yeah,
Diba, Doc? 1,000 pesos.
yeah.
But you need to achieve certain milestones lang to get the different benefits, no? But it includes Vibe points. So,
Yes.
I believe you have the Vibe
Yes,
app
I
na,
do.
no? So, mga ka-investors, download nyo din yung Vibe app natin para you get the full benefits of the BPI Wealth Builder,
Yes.
no? So, you get points, reach another milestone, you get calls for health, no? So, you have e-consults, no?
Yes.
So, yeah. So, Doc, magkano ba yung usual e-consults yan?
Well, it depends. Ngayon, 500.
So, pero 500 pa rin yun, di ba?
Yeah.
So, by just investing, you get free of this 500.
500.
Oh, and it's not just one consult, Doc. So when you reach a certain milestone, you get 15 e-consults, no? And it refreshes on a yearly basis. So pag nagamit mo na this year, next year meron ka
Meron
ulit.
ka ulit.
As long as naka-invest ka on that certain amount in the BPI Wealth
Yes.
Builder. And then how do you manage your time when it comes to your finances? Nag-aalat ka ba ng certain number of hours to look at your finances?
I want an investment na slowly but surely. Ayoko na instant. Kasi red flag yun. Green flag sa akin is kahit mababa, pero steady yung growth. Kaya nga sa BPI Wealth Builder, nakita ko, if you invest 1,000 pesos now, automatic na magde-debit na agad siya na 1,000 pesos the next month. So, less hassle yun. Automatic na.
Automatic.
Tuloy-tuloy na.
So siguro some few insights on what are the green and red flags again that you consider in investing, and what should our mga ka-investees look at if they want to start their investments.
So, I'll start it with this. When you're in your 20s, you work for money. But dapat yung goal mo when you're in your 30s na, money work for you. Pero hindi naman na-applicable sa lahat. Siyempre, may kanya-kanya tayong timeline.
Okay. So, really good insights. So, sana madaming nakuhang information and new learnings yung mga ka-investees natin. So, again, savings is important. You start with it. Pero, look for other means to really grow your money
Yes.
through investments. And yun nga, even though you're busy, it's not a hindrance
Yes.
para to start investing. Look for fund managers that are really tested, proven and tested in the industry. And madami na tayong mga technological advancements na mapapadali. So, you've heard it, no? So, kahit busy doctor can really invest.
Basta basahin mo yung
Basahin mo muna,
Basahin mo muna.
yes.
Basta huwag ka
Wag
lang
kang click lang ng click. Correct. So, wag naman click ng click. So, basahin pa rin natin. Pero, you look for, ano ba yung mga risks involved, Doc, no?
You have to research. Hard-earned
Correct,
money
pera
mo
ba
yan
yun?
eh.
Yes.
So, kailangan mo talaga isipin kung paano mo siya papalaguin or kung saan mo siya ilalagay.
Correct.
Diba?
Oh, hindi lang basta, kasi mataas.
Oo.
So, I'll be looking also, ano ba yung possible risks
Yes,
involved? So,
yes.
green flags and red flags. And syempre, learning about ano yung suitable for you.
Yes. Yung risk assessment.
Correct. Oo.
Importante yun.
Importante. So, para alam mo kung ano yung ire-reseta mo sa sarili
Yes,
mo
that's
na investment. No?
true.
Ayan, so na-relate to ba sa healthcare. And yun nga, if you're looking for investments that could give you possible free healthcare benefits, then meron po tayo niyan. So, si BPI, si Doc, nag-start na mag-invest sa BPI Wealth Builder. Again, BPI Wealth Builder, minimum is just 1,000 pesos.
Yes.
But you need to achieve certain milestones, amounts, no? For you to get the benefits, no? So, you can check it out in our website, ano yung mga benefits na yun. But thank you very much, Doc Adrian, for sharing all these insights. We've learned a lot of things for this episode. And again, just like as always, no, so mga ka-investees natin, Doc, no? So if you enjoyed this episode, hit subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Spotify. So may Spotify kami, Doc. So you just need to search Wealth Radio. And mga ka-investees, if you're ready to level up your finances, as usual, i-invest mo na yan. And you can access our e-invest through the link in your screen. So you can click the link in your screens right now. So till next time, again, keep investing in yourself and your future. Catch you later. Bye, Investies.
Bye.